You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these phrases, as well as how to say more interesting but often confusing vocabulary that many get wrong in English, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel if you enjoy learning. Peripheral vision. Peripheral, stress on the second syllable. Peripheral vision, a j sound, not an s sound. Peripheral vision. Like and subscribe if you find this video useful. Thanks for watching. Remember, peripheral vision, and now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.